Crude oil traded with a modest bullish bias yesterday. We have seen it moving towards 68.6 levels, while net gas has hit the lows at 2.32, which is indeed a very good support. I have mentioned yesterday it is going to be difficult for gas to break below 2.3, 2.25 zone, which is definitely a greater support. Now, what to expect today from oil, WTI, and net gas? How to profit today, where to enter, where to exit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Also, this is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel in the world to give you two updates and targets absolutely on time. First with the Asia and Euro session, and next with the US session. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into crude oil WTI, followed with net gas. Watch till the. If you look at the movement in oil here, see this is definitely trading in this bearish channel. Lower lows, lower highs. What has happened this time? Almost a double bottom is formed. 66.8 levels proven out to be greater support. See double bottom and the rise, and now after hitting the high, see I can definitely say that it is after the drop it is retracing here, and I will not treat this as bullish as long as now $70 levels are not taken. As long as it is below 70, we should not be treating oil as bullish. What has happened? After hitting the highs, it is trying to retrace, and it could again move towards the bottom here, possibility exists. So if you see it is staying below 67.6 today, 67.6 is going to be a very good support. You can expect more bearishness below this towards 67.2 and lower levels. Let's have a further look. Stochastic has hit to the bottom here. MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI is comfortable. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar is the observation. Preceding candle comes with a bigger wick and a red body, which suggests that there is bearishness. Possibly, definitely, we are looking forward to a move below 68 at least. And yes, 67.8 itself you can sell, but I will say it is going to see maximum support here at 67.6, 67.5 first, then 67.2 second, and any drop below 67 is a sign of bearishness for crude oil. I can see that after the drop, this is just retraced, and a possible drop cannot be denied from the current levels. Stochastic coming out of the overbought zone. The MACD is divergent. The MACD is bullish looking upwards. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, see drop retracement, drop retracement, drop retracement. 20 period moving average definitely is a greater resistance zone. You can see lower highs, lower lows here. Resistance there intact at around 68. 40-50 zone, which is definitely going to be a crucial resistance and milestone. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, what has happened? See, prices have retraced towards 20 period, waited for the 20 period moving average to come down. Also, there is a double bottom. What is happening here? First, look at the preceding candle. There is a push from the upside. Current candle continuing the momentum here. There could be a slide here. If it stays below 67.8, we can look forward to a move towards 67.6, 67.5. And below that, more bearishness may prevail, which can in fact take it towards 67, 66.8 again. I will say that it is still not turning bullish. Every time it hits 20 period, it is reversing, and thus on the upside now till 69 levels, we should be very cautious, and above 70 is where you can say that oil is turning bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over at the bottom, trading with little divergence, is staying bullish. RSI is almost staying flat. Coming to daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, and I share the trading levels and a strategy. If you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me over Telegram or email for your queries related to the services. Yes, in my signals channel, we trade diverse instruments, including indices and commodities from across the globe. So you have ample opportunities for you to trade profitably throughout the day. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals with the global presence. You can join through the link, and definitely you will get the lowest spreads and offer, and this is a trustworthy broker. Join it today and enjoy trading. Now coming to the daily charts here. On the daily charts, the most important thing, what oil did yesterday, hitting the lows here, it is now closing at a doji. Also, lower highs are seen, flat bottom is seen. Very important for it to now stay above 68.8, 69 zone. First resistance, then 69.6, and then 70. These, if as and how it breaks these resistances, you can say now oil is reversing, and then we can look forward to a retracement towards 70, 72 zone. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. The MACD is still trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI staying at the bottom. So considering this, considering the charts and the indicators, I will recommend you to buy oil only if you see it is staying 68.3, where you can expect 68.6, 69.2, 69.65, and then 70.1, 70.2 zone as the next targets, beyond which we can look forward to 71, 71.1, and then 72.4 as the next targets, chances for which appears to be less, but these are markets. When it starts to recover, it shows a stronger recovery here. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend now only if you see it stay 67.8, where you can expect 67.5, 67.6 first target, 67.25 the next, and then 67 levels. Anytime it stays below 67, 66.8, just stay short. We can look forward to a greater correction here. As far as my understanding is there for the charts, I do not see it dropping below 66.8, at least today. What it will try to do, I can see it retracing a little, possibility exists that we can see a move towards 70, 72. 72, I think it is difficult, but yes, 70, 71 levels should be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural. See, natural gas on the hourly charts very clearly. It was trading in this bullish channel here. It has just breached the channel. It is coming out of the channel. It has come out of the channel, now trying to pull back within the zone. Now, most importantly, the crossover here in the moving average is a bearish sign, and this is happening after a bit of uh, good bullish move. Also on the upside, the resistances are strong. See, yesterday I have mentioned that it may try to fill the gap. What it did is it is tried to move upwards. It has filled the, precisely filling the gap. We have seen a sharper reversal here, and it is trading bearish. Now see, also on the downside, it has formed a very good base here at now 2.32 zone, which is indeed a very, very good support. Now hitting the lows, possibility of a retracement towards a move towards 2.3536 exists, which is good resistance for now. Stochastic rising, the MACD has seen good lows here, willing to converge, crossover for the buys. RSI flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts here, you can see this consolidation going on, and possibility of a little rise exists. If you see it is staying in fact above 2.34 levels, you can see a little rise towards 2.36, and if it stays above 2.36, the chances will be higher that we can look forward to move towards 2.4. Though right now I can see that the bulls are not very much interested here. That is what it appears from the move. The stochastic oversold here, the MACD is bearish, RSI is almost staying flat after the drop. Coming to the 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, what has happened? Price is moving towards 50 period, now finding a support, and you can say that it is trading in this channel. It is very important for net gas to stay above 2.442 zone, which is definitely very good resistance for now. Any move beyond 2.4, 2.42 is the only sign you can say that now it is reversing. And if you look at the movement here, see diminishing bearishness, reversal sign, possibility of a little rise exists. How far? We can see a move towards 2.3536. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI staying flat here. On the 4 hour charts, if you look at, yes, it has come out of this bullish channel, that is also clear. Second thing is increasing bearishness is seen for the last few candles. Now it is almost flattened, so there is hardly any move for last couple of candles, and thus we have to wait for it to show a direction. Any move beyond a 2.3436 zone is where you can say that the bulls will be active, else this zone is going to remain the prime resistance zone for the day, 2.34, 2.36. Stochastic oversold here, MACD trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. It appears it could continue to do so for a while before it reverses. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily. Now on the daily charts, look what has happened. It has filled the gap. That is the most important thing. It has filled the gap and now looking downwards. Also, this is the first bearish candle. There is a possibility of a second bearish candle here. So in fact, even if you see net gas trading below 2.32, that is the higher prices below 2.32, you can take a selling entry, expect 2.3, 2.28, 2.25. And as I have mentioned several times yesterday in my weekly review, as long as net gas stays above 2.25, we should not be treating this as bearish. Yes, this is a retracement. A possible recovery is going to be there very, very soon, as long as it stays above 2.25. But once it stays below 2.25 and 2.2, 2.21 zone, you can say, I think the upside will also be going to be difficult, and there could be further down move. If you look at the moment, it is almost at the bottom. When the next candle starts, it could continue to slide. This possibility you cannot deny. What is happening here? Rise, retracement, higher highs, higher lows. So it can move towards higher lows, and higher lows right now are sitting at around 2.18 levels. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down. The MACD is still in green and RSI is looking downwards, suggestive of slight bearishness. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy net gas only if you see it is staying 2.33, 2.34, to rather I will say 2.34 levels where you can expect 2.36. Very good resistance beyond 2.36, 2.38, 2.4, 2.42 and then 2.5, 2.45. Till 2.5 is stronger resistances exist for net gas. Beyond 2.45 I do not see it coming back. We are looking forward to 2.6 levels very soon, and these levels are going to be decisive for the day. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 2.32 itself, but when the higher price is below 2.32, take the sell. Expect it to move towards 2.3, 2.28, very good support. 2.25, the strongest one. Any drop below 2.25 will lead it towards 2.2, 2.21 and then 2.18 levels. If it breaks 2.18, stay bearish. We are looking forward to a greater correction which can again take it towards $2 levels. I do not see that happening. Possibility exists that we are seeing a greater, going to see a greater support here on the downside towards 2.18, 2.2 or 2.25 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session that is going to add further to your trading decisions. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you. See you again before the US session. Have a great profitable trading day.